Sorry for the absolute disaster behind me. I've been going through boxes. So, I've got this set up. I'll show you what I got. I'm using candle right now because I've just grabbed the CNC rig here. Let me hop into here. Yeah, hop back. So, I got my thread. I'm going to jog this forward. Bike down here so we can. And maybe I'll turn this to the side. You can see the motor. This is just a little motor I got. I made this little mount here. So we're going to plug this in. That might be a good start. Okay. We are connected. I'm gonna turn the machine on now. And alright, you ready for this? I'm just gonna skip one of these notches here. Oop, that's the wrong way. So. This is quite fun. Okay, now comes the real test. I've never tried this before, so we're gonna see if this actually works. Seems to be working pretty good so far. I'm quite excited. We'll see if it actually can make stitches. Okay. And there we are. We're ready to go. Now, all I have to do is not tangle this up, which it's already tangled, so that'll be fun. I have to give myself a little leeway. I have enough time to hit the e-stop button. You know, in case I need an emergency stop. We're about almost 20 rows. Let's get to the 20th row. Oh no! Oh no! We're not stopping! Shit! we went past the 20th row. Crap. Now, I'm sure knitting professionals will tell me I'm doing this wrong. And I don't care. Yeah, close enough. There we go. Got me a hat. Little stringy. Little meshy. All these stitches are gonna pop out.